Hi guys, welcome back to Activity Beast. I'm Carter.
And I'm Mikey.
And today's shout out is going to our cousins Finn and Heidi
all the way in Australia.
How crazy is that? So what are we going to be making today?
I think we should make a lava lamp.
Good idea.
What supplies do we need?
Well, you need 1 cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of vinegar, and then you're going to stir those together. You're going to need 1 to 4 drops of food dye. So what are you going to use?
I think I'm going to use 3 drops of red and 1 drop of blue to make purple.
I'm going to use the red and the yellow to make orange, like lava. So you'll also need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, as well as 1 teaspoon of water. So let's get started. I'm gonna get started. So I have my 1 cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 of vinegar. So on the paper it says to add these together. So I'm going to add that.
Wow, those are so cool.
And then it says to stir. I'm going to do 3 things very gently. Okay, so now I add my 1 to 4 drops of food dye. So I was thinking 2 of each.
I guess. Because you need 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4.
Okay, so there's, this is
Almost out. Come on.
1, 2. I like how they're kind of like spreading.
Remember not to use all the red, okay?
1, 2.
That one came out easy.
Yeah. So now I'm gonna stir again, just to make it mix. So now that I've mixed it, I feel like I want to add a little bit more color. I think I'm gonna make it a little bit more orangey and use the yellow. Remember we had problems getting the yellow out. So let's just try that. There.
Oh, looks like good.
Should be good.
And now you're going to stir it again?
Yeah. There, that looks better. It looks kind of like blood, but then if you look at it from the side, it looks completely different.
And if you look diagonal.
So, now I'm going to add a teaspoon of water to the baking soda. There we go. Oh, it's so fizzy. Now we're going to add this in to the lava.
Whoa, that's
There you
so
have it.
Cool.
My lava lamp.
It's sprouting little babies up.
Nice. Let's get a lid on it. That is amazing. Look at it.
Now can we try mine, Carter?
Sure.
It looks so
amazing.
cool. It's time for mine, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to pour in my vinegar, my vegetable oil. Oh, look at the little bubble.
Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah.
So now you should stir it.
Yeah. How many stirs should I do?
I did 3 and I did them very slowly. There.
Okay, there we go.
So now your food dye colors. I would recommend doing 2 of each,
Okay.
but if you want to do 3 and 1.
No, the top one.
Oh, I can help you. There we go.
Thank you.
1. All right. 2. Do you want me to do the red for you?
Yeah, because it looks a little bit short.
1, 2.
And then you stir it?
Yep.
Wow! Looks red, but the blue's not kicking in that much. Oh no, it turned black.
That's actually a very dark shade of purple. I like that.
Yeah, it is.
So, now I think it's about time that we add the 1 teaspoon of water to...
But I think I should add a bit more of red because the blue came out a bit.
Yeah. So, do 2 more.
1. And then maybe I can do the blue.
So, oh, wait, you have something dangling over here. It's just... Oh, okay.
And then put 1 more thing. Wait, I don't think so.
No, the blue is very dark.
I'll just stir it in a bit more.
Very, very gently. You don't want it...
Wow, it looks like a nice shade of purple.
It does.
But when you look in the middle, it looks like black.
Yeah.
But with silver sparkles.
Now, I think that now it's about time that we add the teaspoon of water to the bicarbonate soda.
Okay, can I have the teaspoon and you just pour the water?
Sure. Hold it very, very carefully. I recommend 2 hands. Don't move it an inch. There we go. Now it should be all fuzzling. Put it in.
Whoa, it's blue. No, it's purple.
It's all rushing to one side. That's awesome.
Look at the drops. It's red and blue. It's so cool. And look at the leftovers that I have.
Nice. Maybe you should just use your spoon and scoop out the leftovers.
Yeah, and put them in. It's fizzling too. Thanks for helping me, Carter.
That's okay. Oh, it's turning black.
At the bottom, but at the top, it just looks blue.
Nice.
So I made a little bit of a mistake, but it still looks cool. But make sure to
Stir the bicarbonate soda with the water
before you put
it in. That's why yours isn't as working as mine, but it still looks awesome.
Yeah, I don't care that it just looks like a big blob of colors.
We hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time. We're Activity Beast.